In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 best penny stocks to buy right now. 2 of these stocks have the potential to 10x your investment in the next few weeks, with massive catalysts only days away. This is a must-watch video for anyone who is serious about penny stocks right now. Now, we have a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short, but if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs you nothing and it helps me out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. And I would really appreciate if you could try to answer the question at the end of this video, so let's get straight into it. The first stock on the list is a stock that has a major catalyst coming in the next 2 weeks that could send the stock parabolic. GRRR Technology is a global solution provider in security intelligence and IoT technology, providing a wide range of solutions including smart cities, network video security convergence, and Internet of Things, across select verticals of government and public services, manufacturing, telecom, retail, transportation, and logistics, by using AI and deep learning technologies. GRRR Technology Group is headquartered in London in the UK, and its expertise lies in revolutionizing security and enhancing resilience, delivering products that harness the power of AI in intelligent video surveillance, edge computing, post-event analysis, and advanced cybersecurity technologies. By integrating these AI-driven technologies, GRRR empowers smart cities to enhance efficiency, safety, and cybersecurity measures, ultimately improving the quality of life of residents. Looking at the investor's presentation, we can see that the company has been around for over 20 years, so this is not some tech startup with no actual experience, and they also have 29 patents for their technology. But things are only starting to take off for GRRR Technologies in the past year. They went public in 2022 at a valuation of over $700 million. But the company is now deeply discounted, valued at about $58 million, with an insanely low PE ratio. They have award-winning technology, and last year they got their largest order in the company's history, over $270 million from a single order, and have partnerships with major companies such as BT, Dell, and Ericsson. Now we can see that this is a truly global company with offices all over the world on every continent. And guys, anyone who is interested in this stock, I highly recommend to check out their website and look up their investor's presentation. As we can see here, as I flick through the pages, there is a lot of details that I am skipping past in order to keep this short. But it's always important to look at the leadership teams that are running these companies, and GRRR Technologies has a top-class team, with people coming in from major technology companies such as IBM, Cisco, and Microsoft. But the company is currently embarking on a massive scale of growth, both geographically and technologically. And when we look here, we can see that they have a long history of revenue growth that has really accelerated over the past 2 years, where they have turned the corner from loss-making into profit-making. But what do analysts think of GRRR Technologies? And this is where it gets very interesting. GRRR stock currently has a price target of just $9, which is 78% upside from the current price. But if we go back to last year, this stock had buy ratings and analyst price targets of $48. So there is clear potential for this beatdown stock. Another development that could see the stock skyrocket is the fact that GRRR Technologies has been shortlisted for a groundbreaking smart education and digital infrastructure project with an anticipated value of over $400 million for an initial 5-year phase. This initiative, based in a major investment-grade city in Southeast Asia, marks the beginning of a multi-phase program with additional projects that could exceed $2.5 billion in spending over a 15-year period. Guys, this is an AI company with a market cap of only $58 million, a PE ratio of only 1.76, and earnings per share of $2.85. Trading volume is beginning to increase recently, and this is a stock that needs to be on your watch list if you are serious about penny stocks or serious about AI stocks. KULR Technologies is a company that I've been getting so many comments about over the past few weeks, and now an opportunity has presented itself. KULR Technology Group is a leading energy management platform company offering proven solutions that play a critical role in accelerating an electrification of the circular economy. Leveraging a foundation in developing, manufacturing, and licensing next-generation carbon fiber thermal management technologies for batteries and electronic systems. This company operates in a huge and growing market with exposure to aerospace and defense, e-mobility, and lithium battery market, as well as global recycling industry. The energy storage market alone is expected to grow by 8% annually over the next decade, reaching that $400 billion point before 2030. Looking at the new summer investors presentation, we can see the company's investment thesis with revenue growth and balance sheet rebalancing. KULR Technologies has a long list of major commercial and government partners such as SpaceX and Boeing, Meta and Philips, as well as a whole host of vehicle companies such as GM, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Rivian and Tesla, as well as several government departments and NASA. KULR is experiencing rapid growth now across several sectors, and we can see this in the financial summary, showing revenue growth that is up over 890% in 3 years, but also showing that the company is becoming more efficient and using less cash. I highly recommend anyone interested in KULR Technologies to check out the new presentation, as this looks at things in far more detail, such as the space batteries, the advanced thermal solutions, and the overall massive market opportunity. Now, there is a link to this in the description below. And more recently, KULR partners with Ampius Technologies. The partnership is set to push the boundaries of next-generation battery technology with a focus on the advanced air mobility market, while Precision Business Insights estimates the global electric aircraft market to reach $13.5 billion by 2030. And most recently, KULR has been awarded a contract with the US Navy to advance its internal short-circuit technology. This development will support a wide range of safety-critical uses, with particular importance for aviation of the Federal Aviation Administration and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency. These are the kind of deals that are seeing KULR Technologies gather so much attention lately. Now, when I last spoke about this stock, it was only 25 cents, but as you can see here, KULR Technologies is up to 72 cents. But looking at Market Beat, we can see that it has a consensus price target of $1, which is only 39% upside from today's price, but this has not been updated in a long time and does not take into account of all the recent developments. The latest analyst price target was set over 3 months ago, back in August. iqstel is a US-based technology company offering leading-edge telecommunications and technology services. This company is traded on the OTCQX, ticker symbol iqst. The company is fully reporting penny stock with fantastic corporate governance, an independent board of directors, and an audit committee, which is something that not every OTC company has. iqst offer leading-edge services in both business-to-business and business-to-customer divisions through several subsidiaries across separate business divisions. These include Enhanced Telecommunications Division, which includes their Internet of Things and proprietary blockchain platforms, their FinTech Services Division, Electric Vehicle Division, and their AI-enhanced Metaverse. iqst has a global presence, and its products and services are used across several industries in telecommunications, EV, financial services, and distribution industries. And they have lots of customers, which we can see here. Some of these are very well known, such as IBM, Verizon, or Vodafone. Now, this stock has been trading sideways for the past 2 months, but it's down over 50% from its 52-week high, and things are starting to get moving on a highly anticipated Nasdaq uplisting. iqstel announced a significant development that accelerates its path to a Nasdaq uplisting. iqstel has secured a 12-month extension on its convertible notes with M2B Funding Corp, a strategic milestone that solidifies iqstel's momentum and reinforces its vision of achieving $1 billion in revenue by 2027. Remember that this is a company valued at around $30 million, who are already achieving revenue that is forecast to be close to $240 million for 2024, and they are on the brink of explosive growth. Now, this company is flying under the radar with nobody talking about it, but they recently partnered with a top-tier marketing company to help get the word out. So I expect that they won't be flying under the radar for long as they look to gather some momentum before the uplisting to Nasdaq. The next stock on the list is a quantum computing pioneer. Quantum stocks are going crazy over the past few weeks and look set to explode in 2025. Rigetti Computing is a pioneer in full-stack quantum computing. The company has operated quantum computers since 2017 and serves global enterprise, government, and research clients through its Rigetti Quantum Cloud Service platform. The company's proprietary quantum classical infrastructure provides high-performance integration with public and private clouds for practical quantum computing. Rigetti has developed the industry's first multi-chip quantum processor for scalable quantum computing systems. The company designs and manufactures its chips in-house at Fab 1, the industry's first dedicated and integrated quantum device manufacturing facility. Looking at the investor's presentation, we can see the quantum computer market is expected to grow to $7.6 billion by 2027, and Rigetti Computing have a robust IP portfolio with 227 patents and multi-year partnerships across government and private industry. Now, I believe that quantum computing is going to be huge over the next few years. This is a whole sector that has not yet taken off, but it is starting to show signs, with IonQ recently going from just $6 up to $35. While Rigetti believe that classical computing has plateaued, it has reached its limits, and quantum computing is the disruptive technological advancement where they believe that they have the superior technology to take advantage of the market. Total worldwide government investment in quantum computing for 2024 is $42 billion. This is a 26% increase from 2023. And the IDC projects $7.6 billion for global quantum computing market in 2027. But just look at how much this is forecasted to grow over the next 5 years. We literally are at the very beginning of this technological advancement. A boom that could well be even bigger than the AI boom of 2024. And Rigetti has all the partnerships already in place with both government and private organizations. Major partners such as Amazon, NASA, DARPA, even banks such as Standard Chartered. But what do analysts think of Rigetti Computing? The consensus price target is $3, which is just 25% upside from the current price. But most of these targets were set earlier this year, and the stock has increased a lot recently. The most recent price target being $4, and I personally expect revised price targets to go higher in the near future. Rigetti recently announced a $100 million registered direct offering of common stock priced at the market rate of $2. And this helped drive the stock price up and will provide Rigetti with much more solid financial position, stating that the company will be adequately funded to continue its current technological development and on-premises quantum computer business strategy without the need to raise any additional capital. And this article on Seeking Alpha asked the question, Rigetti Computing, could this be the next quantum multi-bagger? Now, this article is well worth a read, and there is a link to this in the description below, so check this out at the end of the video. Next up is a stock that has a major catalyst in the next few weeks that could send the stock parabolic after being given an insane 10x price target and recent insider buying, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. Fortress Biotech is a biopharmaceutical company that develops and commercializes pharmaceutical and biotechnological products. The company has 7 marketed prescription products and over 20 programs in development at Fortress and at its partners and subsidiaries. Fortress portfolio is being commercialized and developed for various therapeutic areas including oncology, dermatology, and rare diseases. Their model is focused on leveraging its significant biopharmaceutical industry expertise and network to further expand and advance the company's portfolio of product opportunities. They have established partnerships with some of the world's leading academic research institutions and biopharmaceutical companies. Now, looking at the company's recent investors presentation, we can see that they have a number of products that are already marketed as well as having upcoming catalysts and PDUFA dates. I highly recommend everyone to check out this investor's presentation, so there is a link to this in the description below because this goes through all the upcoming milestones as well as a portfolio of products in the late stage, mid stage, and preclinical stage. Now, as I said, what caught my attention with Fortress Biotech was this insane price target, but when we look at the other price targets that have been set for this company, we can see that last year there was a price target of $75 and 2022 there was a price target of $90. So although the share price has been dropping, it's clear that analysts have had high expectations for this company over the past few years. And there has also been a lot of insider buying recently, and it's easy to see why when we look at the current pipeline and the catalysts that we have coming before the end of the year. Not only does this company have partnerships with world-leading pharma companies such as AstraZeneca, but just look at all the anticipated milestones to come over the next few months, including one big PDUFA date set for December 28th, for which Fortress Biotech owns 10% as well as owning royalty percentages. Now in this video I have looked at what I consider to be 5 top penny stocks, but which of these do you think is the best? I am extremely bullish on 2 of these in particular. Can you guess which ones? Drop a comment and let me know your favourite. Number 1. Rigetti Computing. Quantum computing could be the next big parabolic runner. iqstel with stunning revenue, Nasdaq uplist plans, and looking seriously undervalued. Gorilla Technologies with major deals in place and a PE ratio of only 1.7. KULR Technologies with all their new contracts, or Fortress Biotech with a huge FDA date only weeks away. Leave a comment and rank these 1 to 5. This is of course just my opinion and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, but if you enjoyed this analysis then please like and subscribe. I hope these stocks are as successful as the ones I've been picking out over the past few months, and I hope you make a load of money on these stocks. Follow me on Twitter and I'll catch you in the next video.